children, let's start with English workshop. I will show you some sentences. You have to put proper punctuation marks. Where did you find it? Ma'am, as this is a question, we will put a question in the end. Where did you find it? Question mark. What is it about? What is it about? Question mark. They had a teacher. They had a teacher. Full stop. How could a man be a teacher? How could a man be a teacher? Question mark. Sure, if they were the same age. Sure, if they were the same age. Full stop. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie did so with a sigh. Full stop. Why would anyone write about school? Why would anyone write about school? Question mark. Very good. Let's start our next activity. I will read some sentences from the story. These sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. You have to tell what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. First sentence is, she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had a mechanical teacher in the story. So it means they will take it away for repairing and she will have no teacher for some days. In today's context, it means that the teacher will lose her job. Good. Second sentence is, they had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Tommy's mechanical teacher had a major fault, so it took almost a month to get it repaired. In today's context, it may mean that someone had kidnapped Tommy's teacher for a month. Okay. Third is, it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. This is a future-based story. They had mechanical teachers as a routine. So they say, it was not a regular teacher but a man. In today's context, it may mean that it was not a lady teacher but a male teacher. Good. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. According to the story, this sentence indicates that a mechanical teacher should be adjusted with such setting that it could understand the thinking of each boy and girl it teaches. In today's context, it may mean that the human teacher will have to do the adjustment. Well done. Coming to our next exercise. I will give you some words. Try to make at least 10 words related to them. First word is book. Book. Pages, printed, pictures, drawings, text, colorful, knowledge, reading, school, teacher, students, writing. Good. Second word is school. School. Bag, books, teacher, studies, exam, playground, library, uniform, students, building, celebration holiday, learning, friendship. Good. Third word is family. Family, small, home, brother, mother, father, sister, grandparents, love, relations, happy, sorrow, support, upbringing, respect. Okay. Now last word is world. World, big, countries, neighbors, languages, culture, people, growth, import, export, business, jobs. Very good, children.